Hey, quick question. Do you sometimes say something in English and people look at you with a confused face?
Oh, yes. Like you said the words, but something felt wrong.
Exactly. Maybe you said, I am agree, or she don't like it.
And you knew something was off, but you didn't know what.
Yeah, that feeling is so common. And today, we are going to help you fix that.
This is English conversation practice for beginners. Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hey, hey, hey. Great to be here. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. And if you're new here, hi, welcome to the family.
This channel is for people learning English. We keep it simple. We keep it real.
No complicated grammar, no boring textbooks, just real conversation.
Just like this. So today's topic is really useful.
Yes, we are talking about common mistakes in English speaking.
Mistakes that almost every beginner makes. I made them too, by the way.
Same. Honestly, same.
So why does this matter? Why talk about mistakes?
Because knowing your mistakes is the first step to fixing them.
Right. And these are not big, scary grammar mistakes.
These are small, everyday mistakes.
The kind you make when you're talking to someone at work or at a shop or with a friend.
And when you fix them, your English sounds so much more natural.
People understand you better and you feel more confident.
That's the goal, right? Confidence.
Always. Okay, let's get into it. All right, first mistake. This one is very common.
Okay, give me the situation.
So imagine your friend says, I think coffee is better than tea.
And you agree. So you say, I am agree.
Ah, yes, I am agree. I've heard this so many times.
But that's the mistake. You don't say, I am agree.
Right. The correct way is, I agree.
Just two words. I agree.
No am, just I agree.
Let's say it together. I agree.
I agree.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Simple, right?
So simple, but so easy to get wrong.
And here's a tip. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. So you don't need am.
You can say, I am happy because happy is an adjective.
But agree is a verb. So I agree. That's it.
I agree. Say it one more time.
I agree. Perfect. Okay, mistake number 2. This one is everywhere.
Tell me.
He don't like coffee. She don't want to come. It don't work.
Oh, yes. I know this one.
So what's wrong here?
With he, she, and it, you need to say doesn't, not don't.
Exactly. So the correct sentences are, he doesn't like coffee.
She doesn't want to come.
It doesn't work.
Let's do a quick practice. I say the wrong version, you fix it.
Okay, I'm ready.
He don't want it.
He doesn't want it.
She don't know.
She doesn't know.
It don't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Beautiful. You're a natural.
The trick is simple. He, she, it always use doesn't. Always.
Doesn't, not don't. Doesn't.
Say it with us. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't.
He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. Great job. Okay, number 3. This one comes from translation.
Oh, I know what you're going to say.
When someone asks, how old are you? And you say,
I have 30 years.
yes. In many languages, you have an age, but in English,
You don't have an age. You are an age.
right. So the correct sentence is, I am 30 years old.
I am 30 years old. Or you can just say, I am 30.
Short and easy. I am 30.
How old are you?
I am not telling you.
Okay. But seriously, I am 25. I am 40. I am 18.
Never, I have 25 years. Always, I am 25 years old.
This is one of the most common mistakes, and it's such an easy fix.
I am 25 years old. Say it with your age.
Okay, let's slow down for a second. Teaching moment time.
We talked about 3 mistakes. Let's review quickly.
Mistake 1, don't say I am agree. Say I agree.
Mistake 2, don't say she don't, say she doesn't.
Mistake 3, don't say I have 30 years. Say I am 30 years old.
These 3 mistakes, they happen because we translate directly from our language.
And that is totally normal. Everyone does it. But now you know the correct way, so next time you'll catch yourself.
And that's growth. That's real learning.
Exactly. You won't be perfect immediately. Nobody is. But every time you notice a mistake and fix it, that's a win.
A big win.
Okay, let's go a little further. Same mistakes, different situations.
Let's talk about I agree first. You can say it in many ways.
Like, yes, I agree. Or, I totally agree. Or, I agree with you.
Or if you're being polite, I agree, but...
I agree, but I think there's another way.
Ooh, that's very natural.
Now, doesn't, you can use it in more sentences.
Like, my brother doesn't speak French.
The bus doesn't come on Sunday.
My phone doesn't have battery. Oh, wait, that's another mistake.
Yes, my phone doesn't have battery should be my phone has no battery or my phone is dead.
See? Even in the examples, we find new mistakes. This is how learning works.
Real life. Okay, and for age, you can also say, I just turned 30.
Ooh, yes. I just turned 30 means your birthday was very recent.
Or, I'm almost 30 if your birthday is soon.
I'm almost 30. Ugh, that hits different.
Okay, let's move on. All right, practice time. This is important.
We're going to say some sentences. You say them out loud. Ready?
Don't be shy. No one is watching. Well, we are, but still.
Say these sentences after us.
I agree.
I agree.
I totally agree with you.
I totally agree with you.
She doesn't like coffee.
She doesn't like coffee.
He doesn't know the answer.
He doesn't know the answer.
I am 25 years old.
I am 25 years old.
I just turned 30.
I just turned 30. Ah.
You're fine, Mike. You're fine.
Say all those sentences one more time on your own. Seriously, say them out loud. It helps so much.
Your mouth needs to practice, not just your eyes.
So good. That's so true, Sarah.
Okay, we have a question for you.
Write your answer in the comment. We really do read them.
Here's your challenge. Write a sentence using I agree, or doesn't, or your age.
For example, I am 22 years old. Or, she doesn't live here. Or, I totally agree.
Any sentence, any one, just write something.
And if you made one of these mistakes before, tell us. You're not alone.
We all make mistakes. That's how we learn.
So go to the comments right now and write your sentence. We'll be there.
Okay, we are almost at the end. But before we go,
We want to say something important.
making mistakes in English is not a problem. It's part of the process.
Every mistake you make means you are trying, and trying is everything.
The people who never make mistakes, they're the ones who never speak. Don't be that person.
Speak, make mistakes, fix them, speak again.
That's the only way.
You've got this. Honestly, you've got this.
Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast today.
If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more learners.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many more episodes coming.
We'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.